Hometown feels always special. Everything so green and fresh. I'm picking this fresh banana flower straight from the plant. It's going to be on our lunch table today as a tasty stir fry. It's been such a long time since I had a banana flower stir fry, or as we call it, Vazha Koombu Thoren. Here it is, washed and ready to cut. We need to slice it as finely as possible. Just a tip, apply a little oil to your palms before cutting, as the flower can stain your hands. And don't forget, be careful with your clothes too. Did you know banana flour is rich in fiber and iron? It helps with digestion and boosts immunity too. So this recipe is not only tasty but healthy as well. And if you are enjoying this video so far, don't forget to tap that like button. It really encourages me to share more home style recipes. Now, the chopped banana flour goes into a vessel. To that, I am adding thinly diced onions, green chilies, salt, and a pinch of turmeric powder. Mix it all together well and leave it aside for about 5 minutes. We were cutting these outside in the veranda, and you can hear the cicadas screeching and a bird chirping in the background. Such simple sounds that make you feel right at home. Next, heat a pan with coconut oil. Once hot, add mustard seeds, a dry red chili, and curry leaves. Then in goes our banana flour mixture along with a little crushed garlic. Give it a good stir, cover, and let it cook for 8 to 10 minutes, stirring in between. Meanwhile, grate half a coconut and keep it ready. I can't wait to taste this. Once the banana flour is nicely cooked, add in the grated coconut, stir until everything blends well and switch off the stove. And there you go, our delicious banana flour stir fry or Vazha Koombu Thoren is ready. Simple, healthy and packed with flavor. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for home style dishes with a touch of hometown vibes.